Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know that before this class we have completed our exercise 1. Now we will move forward to our next exercise. Okay. So you all will see here I will only speak about the proper and common noun because I have already explained you. Read the following pairs of sentences. Look at the monument. It is Red Fort. I have been to Mumbai. It is a big city. That is Sarika. She is a pretty girl. The words that are written in color in the sentences above are all noun or naming words. आप कह सकते हैं ये जो highlighted words हैं red color that are where we have used the red color, these all are nouns, or we can say these are the naming word because these are the specific words, or we can say these are the particular words. Okay, note that everybody knows that Mumbai is only one city. No other city is known as Mumbai. Okay, Red Fort is only Red Fort. There is no other Red Fort. Okay. So note that the words in blue like monument, city and girl are general names. अब जैसे monument है, okay, city है या girl है, these all are the general name. ठीक है, कोई specific नहीं है. city कोई भी हो सकती है, monument कोई भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, girl कोई भी हो सकती है. So these are common nouns. On the other hand, the word in red, Red Fort, Mumbai and Sarika are specific name of a monument, city and girl respectively. इनके ये name है जो particular specific name है that are known as proper noun and general names are known as common noun. Hence they are proper noun. So we can see here definition. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind as man, woman, boy, girl, town, country, book, desk. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person or places as Abdul, Rama, Sita, Shireen, Mumbai, India. These are the specific name. And the most important thing is that a proper noun always beginning with the capital letter. That is clear. Now come to the exercise 2. Complete the table below with common or proper nouns. One has been done for you. Okay, as one example is given here, common noun. Everybody know festival is a common noun because it's a general name and there are so many festival. We can say Holi, Deepavali, Eid. Okay, Dashera, these all are festival, but if we ask about particular Eid or Holi or Deepavali, so these are proper noun, but common word like festival is known as common noun. Okay, so first we can see festival, proper noun. If we give a proper noun, it Eid and Holi. After that month. Okay, so give month's name here. Okay, so January and February. मंथ तो कोई भी हो सकता है. अगर मैं आपके मंथ है तो आप बोल दोगे भी मार्च, दिसंबर, बट मैंने कह दिया जनवरी, तो अब जनवरी का दूसरा नहीं होगा. अगर जनवरी है तो वो जनवरी ही रहेगा. सो इट्स जनवरी एंड फरवरी. आफ्टर दैट somewhere is given the proper noun and you have to write the common, and somewhere is given the common noun, you have to write the proper. So next one is proper. The Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, ये सारे क्या है? The Holy Book. क्या है? बुक्स लिख लीजिएगा. द होली बुक्स, ये क्या है? सब होली बुक्स हैं. आफ्टर दैट कंट्री, कंट्री कोई भी हो सकती, इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ओके, आफ्टर दैट प्रॉपर नाउन चेन्नई, हैदराबाद. व्हाट आर दीज आर सिटीज, सो वी कैन राइट सिटी. ये सब क्या है? सिटी. रिवर, नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द 2 रिवर्स नेम लाइक गंगा, यमुना. देन द चार मीनार, एफिल टावर. सो दीज ऑल आर मोन्यूमेंट्स. religion Hindu, Muslim. After that Himalayas, Alps पर्वत या हिमालयाज, ये सब क्या है? These are mountains. That is clear to you. So common नाम आपका general name होता है और जब उन्हीं के आप example देते जाइए कोई specific, तो these are known as the proper noun. Let us see the next. Here is given exercise 3. So in exercise 3 you can see from the following passage, pick out the common and proper nouns, then write them in the column given below. I had recently visited the city. You have to identify here common and proper noun. So first one is city. तो city क्या हो जाएगी? Common noun. Of Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun because it's a specific name. With my family, I visited some famous monuments. Monuments, common noun. Like the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a proper noun. Red Fort, proper noun. Jama Masjid, proper noun. While I was there, we went to Chandni Chowk, proper noun. The market, famous. I have forgotten market is also a कॉमन नाउन. मार्केट कोई सी भी हो सकती है, मैं भूल गई हूँ, बट आप लिख लीजिएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है. मार्केट. आफ्टर दैट द मार्केट फेमस फॉर इट्स हिस्टरीज. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is also proper noun and was designed by his daughter Jahanara. Okay, so Jahanara, proper noun. She was a noble woman. Woman, common noun. He went to a shop. Shop, common noun. Which sold perfumes. He bought Oud and Noor. Oud and Noor is proper noun. Which are fragrances known their sweet smell. Clear? So whatever I have identified here, I have written in the particular columns that are given here. Common and proper noun. Okay. So let us see. First one is city. In common noun, city, as I have already told you, city, monuments, daughter, woman, shop, perfumes, smell. और मार्केट मैं भूल गई हूँ, ये भी आप लिख लीजिएगा. दैट और डॉटर भी इसी में आएगा. एंड परफ्यूम्स भी इसी में आएगा. परफ्यूम कोई भी हो सकता है. सो ये 3 आपको लिखने हैं. मार्केट, डॉटर, परफ्यूम्स. यू हैव टू राइट. ओके. आफ्टर दैट proper noun, Delhi, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Chandni Chowk, Shah Jahan, Jahanara, Oud and Noor. Okay, so here you all have identified the common and proper noun and you all have written. So this exercise is completed. Exercise 3. Now come to the exercise 4. Correct the following sentences by capitalizing the proper nouns as and when necessary. Okay, so you can see here, 1 second.